What's up? Today we're going to install the Radiant GP exhaust for the Rebel 500. It's like the cheapest thing you can get on the Amazon. I don't really like any other exhausts that are out right now, but I want something to get rid of the stock exhaust and just something with some more sound. So pick that up. It's like 50 bucks, but we'll throw it on, see what it sounds like. We'll do a sound test of the stock exhaust versus the others, and then we'll just see how it compares and go for a ride. So we'll do a sound check of the regular exhaust, and then we'll take the exhaust off, and then put the Radiant GP on and then see what that sounds like, comparison. It should be pretty straightforward, guys. All we have to remove is, we're going to take this whole bracket off because we're not going to need it anymore. So the 2 bolts here, and then the 1 bolt on the clamp there that's clamping the exhaust to the downpipe. So real easy, 3 bolts, we'll have that thing off. And then it's just 1 clamp for the Radiant GP Shorty. So we'll just come in here and loosen these up. So we'll put the clamp on here, clamp it down, and then fire it up, see what it sounds like. It is installed. It does have a small baffle in it. Doesn't really look the greatest, but whatever. We're just going for a little bit more sound here, so we'll give it a fire up and see how it sounds. Let's go for a ride on it. Alright, so first I'll give you guys a sound check of the stock exhaust. Sound check with the Radiant exhaust. Definitely gives it more of a bark, more of a mean sound than just like a whisper, so pretty much what we were looking for. We'll just use that for now till something better comes along, but it doesn't look the greatest, but it's not terrible. But for 50 bucks, I mean, can't go wrong. Just because of the angle of it, and it's not angled at all, it kind of sticks out in a dorky way, but not terribly bad. But yeah, let's go for a ride, give it a rip, see how it sounds. Got the new exhaust on, new handlebars, everything. Let's go for a ride, see how it sounds. Minus my 1 mirror. Thank you so much, Amazon, China #1. But we'll get that one replaced. Yeah, definitely has some sound now. Before it was so quiet you guys could barely hear it, but now sounds like an actual motorcycle, so that's always a plus. Alright, let's go ahead and take her for a little cruise. Yeah, definitely not overly loud, nothing like the Dan Motos or anything like that, because it's still got the little cat on there, the mid-pipe thing, but it definitely gives it some sound so you can tell the bike's running, which is kind of nice, right? So it makes it sound like a motorcycle. Not bad. The exhaust isn't the prettiest, but I was pretty much just going for some kind of sound action here. So, I mean, serves its purpose. Nothing crazy. Don't really care for the looks a lot, but we got some plans on a little something custom maybe coming up, hopefully soon, with somebody I follow on Instagram. So hopefully that'll come together in something real sick. But for now, it's something with a little bit of sound. And I do like how the bars turn out, the drag bars and everything. The mirrors will be slick. The one works good, so I'll look forward to having the other one. I do kind of like how it changes the position. Lean a little bit more forward, but it makes it feel like you're handling kind of like a sport bike or something. So it's not really bad. I kind of like it. Get that cruiser respect. And then we did the blinkers. So next up, guys, probably going to be the rear fender. We'll do that as soon as I get the parts for it, but we'll get that all right, and then we'll be sitting on a pretty slick little 500 for mobbing around. It's a comfortable ride. I like it. It's very smooth, like no vibes in the mirrors, nothing like that. Just a nice little ripper. I'm digging it. Overall though, guys, just super happy with it, man. Super happy with this little bike. It's freaking fun as hell. I do really like these bars though. They turn out slick. Pretty easy to put on. Riding around, getting the respect of the cruisers. It does. The exhaust sounds pretty good, guys. You know, it kind of sticks out kind of stupidly, but not too bad. But it does add some sound to the bike where there was like virtually nothing before. I could hear myself breathe louder than I could hear the bike. So adding some sound is better than, I guess, no sound. Oops. So it's decent. Gives it a little brap and clap to it. Worth $50, I'd say. So if you want something other than the stock one with some sound, I would say go for it. I don't notice any like performance difference, I guess. I don't feel it like pulling any weaker or any less in the mids or anything like that. So I wouldn't say that's necessarily a thing I feel or notice, but just gives it a little bit of that tone. So I think it sounds pretty good. But thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Freaking bullshit on Rebel Edition. Got some more shit to bolt on, but it's kind of coming along. Kind of, you know, how I had in my mind of what I wanted it to look like without really doing much in parts. It'll be a fun bike for the summer, just cruise and tear around on. It's a comfortable ride. So yeah, we'll see what else we got coming in store for it, and when we can call it done. Any ideas, comments, guys, go ahead and just let me know.